Hello, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to demonstrate you virtual reality modeling language touch sensor operated text string using Vivity Studio. So on my right, you can see there is a green color ball, and if we click on that ball, there will be a list of lines which will be displayed. I have written five lines, and rest of the lines you can add. I have just put letter F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T up to Z. But you can increase the number of lines. So on clicking the ball, all these texts will appear on the screen. And how to create this particular type of logic, that we will see in this particular video. So for this, we will need two script. This is the first script, which is called as script 1, which is like this. You can edit this script. It is containing all the strings which needs to be displayed. If you don't have the string, you just put number 1 2 3 4 or letter A B C D, like that. Then this will be the field of script. There will be 4 field like this. Then you have to create the root between the touch sensor and script 1. Then there will be another script which will be called as a collector script, and the collector script will be like this. And the collector script will also have two fields like this. Then there will be viewpoint, that is optional. If you want that it should be properly displayed, you can create the viewpoint, but it is not compulsory necessary, that is optional. And then there will be roots, additional roots which will be required from script 1 to collector script, and from collector script to text node. These roots will be required. Now we will see the output. Okay, now you can see the collector script. Just what I'm doing is I'm changing the color of this particular text. It is having white color. I want to change it to yellow color. So just I have selected the yellow color. That's it. Just save this particular file with new name, export with new name. That's all. And give the new name. We will call this as yellow, 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 COLOR, color touch sensor operator script. Save and just minimize, and you can see that instead of white, now the text color is yellow. This is very simple. Now suppose you want to put some additional text, or you want to change the text. So what you can do is that you can directly open this particular code in the simple text editor like Notepad, and go to the script, and then there will be quotes. In the quotes you can change the text, and new text will be reflected. Just you have to save the file before exit. I have written VRML stands for virtual reality modeling language. Then I will be changing this text also. This is a simple text editor. Notepad is a simple text editor. VRML is an ISO standard for representation of 3D on web, like that. Likewise, you can go on changing the other text. VRML code can be easily converted. Now, what is the speciality of the Notepad is that it do not introduce any kind of hidden codes, because many times what happens that during the formatting hidden codes are introduced knowingly or unknowingly. For example, say suppose you want to make the text bold, then there will be some hidden code working in the background, which will to enable the text to appear as bold or italic or say superscript like that, or subscript. For everything there is code, but in Notepad this type of things do not happen. There are no hidden codes which can get applied to the code, and that's why Notepad is the best text editor, because it is always available in any operating system. So it is always available. Now suppose you want to write the codes on your own. Suppose you are a say comfortable with programming and you want to write the VRML codes and you know VRML programming. In that case you can use other softwares like say VRML pad or something like that. VRML pad I have seen uh, which was used by many authors and many code writing communities. So it gives a library of the codes, ready-made codes, and then the code is displayed in different colors, so it becomes very convenient for the programmers. But of course, for people like me, we don't know coding, so we can't write the codes. We have to rely on softwares like say Vivity Studio. Uh, there are other uh, web 3D web editors like say Vivity Studio. There is another web 3D authorizing tool. We call it as web 3D authorizing tool, like say BS Content Studio by Bit Management. This is the only company which is working in this particular format till today, Bit Management. So you can use BS Content Studio also, but I found this Vivity Studio more comfortable as compared to, and whatever the text that we have introduced in the code, that text is getting reflected. Okay, so this is how we can create a touch sensor operated text string. And thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details. And free code download is available for practice purpose in the video description. Link is given in the video description. And check for the comments for more links on Vivity Studio tutorials. Thank you.